Good morning and welcome back to the Vietnam motorbike trip. So today we are going to Bao Loc. So it's about 90 kilometers, I believe. So a few hours ride, not too bad. Probably got about 6 or 7 days left on the trip at total, something like that as far as the motorbike, and then I'll be doing some other things you can come along with. So anyway, I'm gonna get finished, packed up, check out. Probably gonna go get gas first and then come and check out because it's easier. I don't have to unload the bags. So let me go get this gas and I'll see you on the road. Okay. Making our way out of town. Get killed by a truck. Ugh. Nice little hotel I stayed in. Once again, the link will be in the description. According to the GPS, we're it's over 100 kilometers to our destination. Okay, I'm gonna pull over here and do a little video switch. So currently, like I said, we are in wide angle and we're gonna go to extra wide. All right, I'm gonna stop the recording and the next time I start it, I'm gonna switch it. Okay, we are now in extra wide. Beautiful view of horns. Okay, let's try this. Let's see if this view's any better. I don't know when I look at the video. I know it's extra wide can it'll warp the view sometimes, but it's worth a try to see how it looks. So I actually have 3 cameras with me. I have this Action 4. I have a GoPro. I think it's 8. It's the GoPro 8. And I have an Insta360. And you're probably wondering why I'm not using those. I do have a clamp mount, like a alligator type clamp, not a attach it to a bar and tighten it down kind of clamp. Problem is, there's no place easy to clamp it on this bike. This bike don't have any leaning bars, and it's got these little tiny bars for the mirrors, but they're too thin. I think this wide angle, extra wide, gives more a sense of riding on the mountainside. See, I didn't think today was going to be all that great. I don't know why I had that in my mind. I think that's the best way to think. Think, oh, it's not going to be nothing today. Set the expectations low. And then you can't help but exceed them. High expectations is the thief of joy. Or, excuse me, I say comparison. That's the quote. Comparison is the thief of joy. So if you compare it to like, oh, yesterday's trip, oh, wow. Yeah. We're gonna stop and get a picture of that too. Mm-hmm. Yep. With the little huts. See, I thought today I wouldn't be videoing too much at all. And, yeah, don't listen to me. I don't know what I'm talking about. I feel like I need a wider perspective. Yeah, wide angle. Yeah, I think it's better without the road. Anyway, in case you're wondering what, as you're looking at the phone. Wow, check that out. That's about to be the road. Yeah. I don't think we're going to be going anywhere fast today. That's okay. But wow, 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 wow. Stop and get a little cafe or something. Well, what goes up must come down, right? But we did come. You can see up there where we came from. It's good descent. So I think I was looking at it around 80 kilometers to Baylock. Baylock. I think I change the name of the city every time I pronounce it. About Baylock. Anyway, to the destination. About 80-something kilometers. And yeah, of course I got my room already. But, I did that last night. And of course, I've already picked out where I want to eat. Evidently, this place is from, I've seen some videos of some people. It's got a place it's like known to have some really good pizza. So I had some excellent Vietnamese food the last couple of days, and I'm ready for some. Yesterday, when I went on my walk around the city, there's a little banh mi stand, and they had their own little recipe thing, and I guess it was more like a toasty thing I got. It listed it as like a doner kebab kind of thing. That's not what it was. But it was like a spicy sweet sauce she put on it. Usually, a lot of times I tell them to hold sauce because there's certain flavors that just don't agree with me. Like anything real tangy, anything like mayonnaise, sour cream like that, no thanks. But this was like some kind of, and somebody had left a review said, oh, the sauce is like a sweet spicy sauce. I was like, well, I'm gonna let her do her thing, let her make this thing. I think it was with pork as well. Let me tell you, a unique blend of flavors. It was delicious. Then I stopped and had a smoothie and got some French fries. Wow. Down the valley. Anyway, what have you? Oh, we got a whoop-de-doos here. Okay. Moguls. We're going mogling. It's a shitty road. Good line choice. I visualized, I executed. It's not a bad ride today. It's a beautiful ride today. Riding through beautiful places today. I can't afford copyright music, so you gotta listen to the makeup songs. These are all bangers, so you know. Copyrighted. I'm claiming it now. These are copyrighted. I bet they're still in my intellectual property. Wow. Wow. It's a postcard. And it's still hazy too. Still hazy and beautiful. Hazy beautiful. Let me tell you, the trip ends on, if you start in the south and end in the north, it ends on a high note. Might actually stay a couple days at old Bubba Lake. Yeah, so I stopped and took a little break here. Look at this view. Amazing. Back over. It says 55 minutes to my destination, so I think I'm right at 40 kilometers to the end of the road. Very windy. Incredibly windy. Probably muffling my voice. I can remember the last time I had like any kind of real traffic. I'm going straight to the next red light. We'll sort it out in a minute. Okay, let me go check in and figure out where I was supposed to be. I'm here in the Gene Hotel, nice little hotel. I'm on the 5th floor. Let's take a look at the room here. I got two like double beds or single beds or a little armoire. I got the bathroom, typical bathroom. Nothing special there. Let's do a little bed check to see how soft it is. I'd say it's firm, but it's not terrible. It's not terrible. It's gonna be firm though. I'm a hot, sweaty mess. Fantastic ride today. It was more scenic than I thought it would be. Last hour was a lot of wind. Okay, so this is a really big city. I am really surprised. I did not think it was this big. That's good though, because there's a lot of options for things to do and shopping if you need to do it. And be a good place to like take a break, you know. I'm gonna get a shower and go get something to eat. Yeah, I'm gonna end the video. So be sure to like and subscribe if you're enjoying these videos. So get out there, do a trip like this for yourself if you get the opportunity. Get out there and enjoy yourself. It's later than you think.